Hello everyone, back to work in logging. And now I'm with my love, Kaya. We will go tago na. It's our first vlog together. Nagpambutong kami ni Graham. A small farm, my love.
Yeah.
We have string beans. We have string beans and we have buko. And time to go home kasi yung labahan ko pa doon, ang dami-dami. Magluluto pa ako ng lunch namin. So, see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching and keep on watching. Keep on watching. And don't forget to like and follow our page.